This is a Rail King 484 Bantam J steam engine, and as the tender width, it has the Proto sounds, and it's pulling a Lionel 6357 caboose and the wheel car, the number 6262 there. The steam engine has all the digital command and just a pretty, let me give you a little close-up of it before we run it. Has great smoke here. 612 is the number on it, and the lighted caboose in the back and the Lionel wheel car. I'll let you watch them run here. It is going. Have you heard the whistle there? If I slow it down, you can hear it better. Slow it down as it comes by. It has a bell also, but I'm using an older Lionel transformer and I don't have that feature on this one, but I was running it with a newer one earlier. Okay, there's some smoke coming out. It really does do well. There you go, in reverse. And that's the Rail King 484 Bantam J steam engine. I'll give you one last look at it there. Pulling the wheel car and the Lionel 6357 lighted caboose.